Have you ever wanted to add an interactive question to a Google slide? Well, you can now with Poll Everywhere. Poll Everywhere is a service that has been around for a long time, and it lets you um, create questions that participants can answer with through a web link, or they can text in their question. But now you can integrate or embed those questions and actually create the questions right in a Google slide. So here's how this works. First of all, you got to go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Poll EV for Poll Everywhere. And it's an extension, and I already have it installed here. It shows up in my extension list, and it is, it's not active right now. Now, once you have this installed, you need to create a new Google slide. And so here's what's cool. This isn't going to activate this extension right here. What's going to happen is, notice on the menu list between table and help, there's a new option called Poll Everywhere. So I will create a title slide. I'm going to create a new tab, and I'm just going to leave the layout like this. I'm going to click on Poll Everywhere. You can create a new poll, or you can insert a poll or a survey that you may have made from the Poll Everywhere site. So you do need to create the free site. So I'm going to create a new poll. So I'm going to click on Poll, and you have all the options. You can put in your question here. You can do multiple choice questions. You can do open-ended. In the open-ended, you can get wall text or text wall, which is lists everything that anybody submitted. You can get word clouds, so when multiples of the same word pop in, those get bigger, just like a word cloud would. You can do clusters, or you can do tickets. I'm going to do, I'll just show you the rest. You can have a Q&A session. You can do a ranking system, or you can also have a clickable image. I'm going to choose multiple choice, and I'm just going to choose yes and no, and I could add an answer if I wanted to. You can also add images to those selections, and you can delete them right here. So I'm going to choose multiple choice. I'm going to go ahead and insert this, and it's inserting right on top of the slide. Actually, it's making a new slide. And here we go. So I'm going to delete slide 2. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and present this, and I'm going to get my phone ready. So I'm going to answer from my phone and show you how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and present it. So here's my title, and this will go ahead and start. And there we go. So at the top here this is where the participants can go online in a tab to this website, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and text to that number 22333, and I'm going to text that Travis True 662. It has you join, and then I get the message that I've joined, and then I can answer A or B. So I'm going to answer A, and it pops in, and that's how quick it is. So, and when you're done, this is the last slide, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Now, the thing I found is that when I'm out of the presentation, I don't have my data. So if I go back into my presentation, what I found is that data will still be there after this gets going, after it starts. And there it is. So that's how you can add an interactive tool or an interactive question to your Google Slides presentation.